Hello students, today we are familiar with subtraction using 9's complement. Welcome back in the lecture of digital electronics in 4th SEM electrical engineering as well as mechanical and civil engineering. This is the unit of number system, that is the first unit in our syllabus. Now we are running in number system and the topic is subtraction using 9's complement, that is the complement arithmetics. Okay, subtraction in the decimal number system can be performed by using 9's complement. 9's complements, subtraction using the 9's complements for the decimal number system, that is radix as 10. Here case 1 and case 2. Case 1, subtraction of a smaller number from the larger number. This is the normal number. We always subtract a smaller number from the larger one. Okay, first step is find or first check 9's complement of a smaller one. Add it to the larger one. Carry will generate, which is added to the result. Okay, by these rules we perform one example for 9's complement. Okay, subtract using 9's complement 42 minus 27 base of 10, means this number is decimal number and we know that the subtraction using 9's complement is performed for the decimal number. So first step is first check the 9's complement of the smaller one. Okay, in this number 27 is smaller from the 42, so we take the 9's complement for the 27. Students, we are already familiar with 9's complement. How we get the 9's complement of 27? Okay, subtract first unit from the 9th, so 9 minus 7, that is 2, and 9 minus 2, that is 7. Okay, we get the 72 of 9's complement of 27. Now next rule is add it to the larger one. Larger is 42, so now next step is add this 9's complement, that is 72 is 8 into 42. Okay, we are adding 72 plus 42 and get 411. This one is carry. Third rule is apply. Carry will generate, which is added to the result. This carry is end around carry and it is add to the true result, that is this one result, add to the true result and we get the 1 and 5, that is the base of decimal number. So subtraction of 42 minus 27, that is 15, and the base of 10, that is decimal number. Okay students, I hope this is very clear. Case 2, subtraction larger number from smaller one. This is a special case. लार्जर नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है स्मॉलर नंबर से, मीन्स हमारा जो आंसर है वो नेगेटिव ही आएगा. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप फाइंड द 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ लार्जर नंबर. ऑलवेज जिसको हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, दैट इज सब्ट्रैक्ट, उसी का हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है. यहाँ पे हम 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट अरिथमेटिक कर रहे हैं, सो वी फाइंड द 9's कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ लार्जर नंबर. नेक्स्ट add it to the smaller one. No carry will generate and result will be negative. To obtain the answer, find the 9's complement of the true result and change the sign. Okay, example, we perform the example 22 minus 31. This is a decimal number using the 9's complement. See here students, 22 is smaller than 31, so this is the special case of subtraction using 9's complement. So first step, according to first step, we take the 9's complement of 31. So 9's complement of 31 is 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, that is 68. Now next step we add to the smaller one. Smaller is 22. So add it to the 22. We get the 90. No carry is generated, but result is negative. So we take the ninth complement of the true result, that is 90, and uh, put the negative sign. So we find out the ninth complement of 90. We get the ninth complement of 90 is 9 minus 0 is 0, and 9 minus 9 is 0, means 0 9, means sign is also changed, so that answer is minus 9. So for this 22 minus 31, we get the minus 9 in normal way and using ninth complement. Okay students, that is also clear. Next in this series, subtraction using tens complement. Here two cases also there. Subtraction for a smaller number from larger number, this is a normal case, and the rules are: take tens complement of smaller number, add it to the larger number, carry will generate, discard or omit this carry. Okay, some things are remember in different complements, there are rules are different. So example is subtract using tens complement. Example is 27 minus 10. First of all, we take the 10th complement of smaller, that is 10. 10th complement is 10. We get 0 and 9. Okay. Next, add it to the larger one, that is 27. We get the 711. Carry is generated, but we discard this carry. So we get the answer is 17, that is 17 base of 10. These are arithmetic complement arithmetics completed. Next one is sign magnitude representation. In digital, any number have the LSB and MSB, but any number is present with its sign, means the number is positive or negative with magnitude. If a number is LSB and MSB, then we can say MSB is represent its sign, and the remaining all digits are represent the magnitude. Okay, let's see. A sign binary number consists both sign and magnitude information, so it called sign magnitude representation. MSB is called sign bit, which tell whether the number is positive or negative. If sign bit is 0, we can say the number is positive number. If the MSB is 1, that it represent the negative number, and the remaining bits are represent the magnitude bits. Okay, we go through one example. This is the number 100, 100 and 1. This is the LSB and this is the MSB. MSB is represent the sign bit for any binary number. Here is 1, so we can say this number is negative. If it is 0, then we can say it is positive number. And the remaining digits, that is the equivalent decimal 9 to the power 0 multiply 1, and to the power 3 is multiply 1 is total to 9, so it is represent the 9. So we can say this number is minus 9. Okay, base of 10. Another example, 0, and this is 001, this is 9 and this is 0, so it is positive 9, because MSB is 0, that represent the positive number. Okay students, so that is very clear. Positive and negative sign and magnitude representation of any binary number. Okay, this is the normal binary number, but for ones complement and twice complement, for the signed number is different. Ones complement form for signed number. See carefully. In ones complement form, the positive number is represented same as the positive sign magnitude number, but the negative number are represented by ones complement of the corresponding positive number. Means यदि पॉजिटिव नंबर है तो ऐसे ही रिप्रेजेंट करेगा जैसे कि हमने अभी नॉर्मल बाइनरी नंबर देखा था, साइन विथ मैग्नीट्यूड, दैट इज साइन मैग्नीट्यूड प्रेजेंटेशन. बट यदि नेगेटिव नंबर है वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, दैट the ones complement of the corresponding positive number is represent the sign number of the ones complement. Example देख लेते हैं. That is -9, negative number. It is represented as ones complement. Okay, we can say this is 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 1. Okay, that is 0 number, and its ones complement is 1 1 1, and that is 0 1 1 0. So it is represent ones complement form for the sign number, that is negative number. Okay, next one is twice complement form with sign positive number in the twice complement form, and they represent them as the sign magnitude and ones complement form. But the negative numbers are expressed by the twice complement for the corresponding positive number. जैसा कि हमने वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिया था नंबर का, यहाँ पे हम जो साइन नंबर है उसका ट्वाइस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे विद द साइन. एग्जाम्पल फॉर -9, that is represent the negative number. So 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1, and we get the ones complement is thus 1, and plus adding by 1 it get the second a twice complement. Okay, we get the 1 1 1 1 and 0 1 1 1. That is our answer. Okay, dear students. Next we can see the range of sign integer number that can be represented. एक नंबर है जिससे साइन है, that is positive और नेगेटिव, कितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स का है वो कितने नंबर कितने बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है. एग्जाम्पल फॉर 8 bit. 8 bit is called 1 byte. Okay, how many combination are there? If we have 8 bit number, then how many combination are there? That is by the formula 2 to the power n. If we have n numbers, then we get the 2 to the power n combination. We get 8 bit, so that small n is 8, and we get that 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 8 is equivalent to 256 number. We get the combination of n bits. For twice complement sign number, the range of n bit number is minus in the bracket of 2 to the power n minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1, where in each case there is one sign bit and n minus 1 magnitude bit. Clear? एक बिट हमारी साइन बिट होगी और n minus 1 magnitude बिट्स होगी. एग्जाम्पल 4 bit है, then we find that twice complement sign number, then we get 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3 to 2 to the power 3 minus 1, means the range of the numbers is minus 8 to 7. Okay, clear students? In examinations we have one or more question for this type of question, that find out the range of given numbers. Okay, what range of numbers can be represented 8 bit sign magnitude form? Okay, 8 bit sign magnitude form. 1 bit for sign magnitude and n minus 1 bit for magnitude. So we can say the range of 8 bit sign magnitude is minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 to minus 1. We have 8 bit, so by this formula we get 8 minus 1, that is 7, minus 2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1, means minus 128 to plus 127. Next in the series, 8 bit unsigned magnitude form. This is unsigned magnitude form. So we can say n bit used for magnitude, not for the sign bit. So we can 2 to the power n to 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, means 2 to the power 8, that we get that minus 256 to 255. In this series, next is 8 bit BCD number.